Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to Talk Travel with Glenn. It's your host, Glenn, here, ready for another adventure. Today, we're diving into the world of spring. Now, I know what you're thinking. Glenn, spring is a season, not a place. But that got me thinking. Believe it or not, there are countless places around the globe named spring. Get ready for a journey that's as refreshing and exciting as spring itself. Let's start with the word itself spring. The term has its roots in the Old English word spring on, which means to leap up or to rise. This etymology beautifully reflects the essence of the season, a time of renewal, growth, and life reemerging after the cold, dormant months of winter. In many cultures, spring is a symbol of rebirth. It's a time when nature awakens, flowers bloom, and animals come out of hibernation. Throughout history, various cultures celebrate this transition with festivals that honor fertility, growth, and the reawakening of the earth. Now that we understand the origin of the word, let's explore some notable locations named spring. Spring, Texas, USA. First on our list is Spring, Texas, a charming suburb just north of Houston. This area has roots tracing back to the 1830s and is known for its family friendly environment and vibrant community. One of the highlights here is Old Town Spring, a historic district filled with quaint shops, art galleries, and delightful dining options. It's a perfect spot to immerse yourself in local culture and history. Springfield, Illinois, USA. Next, we have Springfield, Illinois, the state capital, and a city rich in historical significance, especially related to President Abraham Lincoln. Founded in the early 19th century, Springfield is home to several important landmarks, including the Abraham Lincoln Presidential Library and Museum and the Lincoln Home National Historic Site. These sites attract visitors eager to learn more about Lincoln's life and legacy, making it a must visit for history enthusiasts. Springfield, Ohio, USA. Now, let's turn our attention to Springfield, Ohio. Like its namesake in Illinois, Springfield, Ohio has played an important role in American history, particularly during the Industrial Revolution. The city is known for its diverse heritage, historic architecture, and community spirit. As we look ahead, there's an intriguing question surrounding Springfield, Ohio. Will this location now be part of history for its role in the 2024 election cycle? With its strategic importance in political campaigning and grassroots mobilization, Springfield could very well find itself at the center of political discussions as we move closer to the elections. Rock Spring, Texas, USA. Let's not forget Rock Spring, Texas, a small community with a rich history. Nestled in the beautiful Texas Hill Country, Rock Spring is known for its scenic landscapes and outdoor activities. This area offers visitors a chance to experience the charm of rural Texas, with opportunities for hiking, fishing, and exploring the natural beauty of the region. Springvale, Victoria, Australia. Moving on to Springvale in Victoria, Australia, which is a suburb of Melbourne known for its multicultural community. Springvale offers a unique blend of cultures reflected in its diverse dining scene. A notable attraction is the Springvale Botanical Cemetery, which not only serves as a resting place, but also features beautiful gardens and walking paths that invite tranquility. Spring Hill, Florida, USA now. We have Spring Hill, Florida, known for its natural attractions and recreational opportunities. One standout is Weeki Wachee Springs State Park, famous for its live mermaid shows and stunning freshwater springs. The park provides kayaking, swimming, and nature trails, making it a delightful destination for families and nature lovers alike. Let's take a moment to delve into the historical context of these locations. The areas named Spring often share a deep connection to their natural surroundings. For instance, the springs in these regions have historically been crucial for early settlers, serving as vital water sources for drinking and agriculture. In Springfield, the convergence of railroads and waterways in the 19th century helped it flourish as a political and commercial hub. Similarly, Spring, Texas saw significant growth during the oil boom of the 20th century, transforming from a quiet rural area into a bustling suburban community. Ready to discover your next great adventure? Welcome to Travel with Glenn. Join me as I explore amazing destinations, share travel tips, and uncover hidden gems from around the globe. Hit subscribe on YouTube and follow us on Facebook to never miss an adventure. Plus, get exclusive content and exciting giveaways. Travel with Glenn. Your journey starts here. Now, let's talk about the tourist attractions that make these locations special. Each offers unique experiences. In Spring, Texas, visitors can explore Old Town Spring, where local arts and crafts fairs often take place, perfect for picking up a unique souvenir. Springfield, Illinois offers an immersive historical experience with its numerous Lincoln related sites, making it a treasure trove for history buffs. Springfield, Ohio invites exploration of its rich industrial history and vibrant downtown area, which may soon gain prominence due to its role in the upcoming election cycle. Rock Spring, Texas is perfect for those who enjoy outdoor adventures, with hiking and fishing opportunities in a serene environment. Springvale, Australia showcases its culinary diversity, with various dining options reflecting its multicultural population. The botanical gardens provide a serene escape from the bustling city life. Spring Hill, Florida invites adventure enthusiasts to enjoy outdoor activities in natural springs, where the lush ecosystem thrives, perfect for a day of fun in the sun. As I mention these locations, I can't help but reflect on how each one brings back memories of my own summer vacations in Jamaica. Yes, let me tell you about Rock Springs, Jamaica, one of my favorite hidden gems. Rock Springs is a quaint community nestled in the lush hills of St. Elizabeth Parish, Jamaica. Known for its rich agricultural heritage, this area has a deep connection to Jamaica's colonial past and the development of sugar plantations. The settlement reflects a blend of cultures, primarily influenced by the Maroons, African slaves, and the British colonialists. Historically, Rock Springs has served as a significant point for sugar production and trade, contributing to the island's economy during the 18th and 19th centuries. Here are little known facts about Rock Springs, Jamaica. Rock Springs is located near the historic Maroon communities, descendants of escaped slaves who formed independent settlements. This area is rich in folklore and traditions, offering visitors insight into the Maroons' unique culture and resilience. The region is celebrated for its production of fruits, vegetables, and spices. Local farms cultivate a variety of crops, including bananas, coffee, and allspice, making it a critical area for agricultural sustainability in Jamaica. Rock Springs hosts several annual festivals that showcase local music, dance, and cuisine, providing an authentic experience of Jamaican culture. The community comes together to celebrate its heritage, featuring traditional drumming, storytelling, and culinary delights. Now that we are in the mindset of Jamaica, let's just touch on things to do in Rock Springs. You can enjoy hiking trails through the stunning landscapes of St. Elizabeth, offering panoramic views of the surrounding hills and valleys. The natural beauty of the area is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers. Take a tour of the local farms to learn about sustainable farming practices and the cultivation of Jamaica's staple crops. Many farms offer tasting sessions, allowing visitors to sample fresh produce and traditional dishes. You have to engage with local artisans and craftsmen to experience the rich cultural tapestry of Rock Springs. Participate in workshops that focus on traditional crafts, music, and cooking. Rock Springs serves as a great base for exploring nearby attractions such as the famous Black River and YS Falls. These locations offer opportunities for birdwatching, river cruises, and refreshing swims in natural pools. The vibrant culture, the sound of the waves crashing against the shore, and the warm, welcoming spirit of the people, these experiences of exploration and discovery remind us of the joys of travel and the connections we make along the way. Yeah, man, as they say in Jamaica. My patwa is not so good, but I had to try it out on ya. Okay, let's move on. Rock Springs, Jamaica is a captivating destination that offers a glimpse into the island's rich history and vibrant culture. With its lush landscapes, warm community spirit, and authentic experiences, Rock Springs stands as a testament to Jamaica's enduring legacy and natural beauty. Whether you're interested in agricultural tours, cultural experiences, or simply enjoying the serene surroundings, Rock Springs is a destination worth exploring. Now let's lighten the mood with some more fun facts. Did you know that many cultures celebrate the arrival of spring with vibrant festivals? In Japan, the Cherry Blossom Festival attracts thousands who come to admire the stunning blooms, which symbolize the transient nature of life. In India, the Holi festival bursts with colors and celebrations, marking the arrival of spring. Furthermore, springs play a critical ecological role. They often support diverse ecosystems and serve as crucial habitats for various species, making them important to both nature and humanity. In our exploration of spring, we've uncovered how this term reflects both a season and a collection of vibrant locations across the globe. Each place named Spring has its unique story, attractions, and cultural significance, inviting exploration and appreciation. As we consider places like Springfield, Ohio, with its potential role in the 2024 election cycle, we are reminded that history is always in the making, and every location can find itself at the crossroads of significant events. Well, folks, we've journeyed far and wide today, haven't we? From the heart of Texas to the tranquil outskirts of London, and even to the rugged peaks of Nevada, we've explored the many faces of spring. We've uncovered the history, the culture, and even the quirky little stories that make each of these destinations special. Remember that bustling street in Spring, Texas, with its blend of cowboy charm and modern amenities? And those serene pathways of Spring Grove Cemetery, whispering tales of lives lived and memories cherished? And who could forget the breathtaking views from the Spring Mountains, a testament to nature's boundless beauty? Each spring we visited offered a unique perspective on the world, a reminder that beauty can be found in the most unexpected places. We learned that sometimes a simple name can hold centuries of stories, each layer revealing something new about the people, the landscape, and the spirit of a place. As we say goodbye for now, I hope you're feeling inspired to embark on your own spring adventures. Remember, exploration isn't just about ticking off destinations on a list. It's about opening your heart and mind to new experiences, to different cultures, and to the unexpected detours that make every journey unique. So, the next time you're feeling that familiar tug of wanderlust, consider adding a spring destination to your itinerary. You might be surprised at what you discover. Perhaps you'll stumble upon a hidden waterfall in a secluded forest, or uncover a fascinating historical tidbit that brings a place to life. Remember, the world is vast and full of wonders waiting to be discovered. So, keep your curiosity alive, embrace the spirit of adventure, and never stop exploring. Until next time, on Talk Travel with Glenn, happy travels, everyone.
Day and night, from sandy beaches to mountain peaks, every adventure a memory we keep. Join the journey, share